Get to know the Report and Replace Cards service process. In this video, we learn how a service agent can quickly act on a customer's request to block and replace their cards, how a customer can easily request card assistance by using a simple and intuitive community portal. Let's follow Rachel Adams, who is taking a jam-packed bus to her office today because she is getting her car serviced. Amid the crowd, Rachel doesn't notice her purse getting stolen. She discovers her loss only after she reaches her office, and by then, it is too late. However, Rachel remains calm, knowing that blocking credit cards is just a call away. Rachel quickly calls the bank to inform them of the theft, so that they can block the active cards to prevent misuse and to request replacement cards. The service agent initiates the Report and Replace Cards action from Rachel's account record page. This action opens a guided intake form that shows Rachel's active cards. After the agent selects the appropriate cards, they can choose a reason for blocking them. The agent can also provide additional comments. Next, the agent processes replacements for the reported cards and is prompted to select a delivery address and method. The agent reviews the entered details in the summary for a final verification. When the agent clicks Submit, the system creates a case record and sends an email with the case details to Rachel. The Case ID link leads to a Salesforce case record for Rachel's service request that both Rachel and the agent can access for further details. After the case is closed, Rachel gets a final confirmation email indicating that the card was successfully reported and replaced. Customers also can initiate the Report and Replace Cards service process independently without relying on a service agent. Rachel logs into Cumulus Bank online to block the stolen cards and to request replacement cards. From the account dashboard, Rachel accesses the Report and Replace Cards action, which opens a guided intake form where she can select the cards to be blocked. Rachel follows a similar process as the service agent to block the cards and request replacements. After Rachel reviews and confirms the details, she submits the request, and the system creates a case. Rachel uses the Case ID to track the service request. If you're not already using the pre-built service processes in Financial Services Cloud, give them a try. To learn more, check out these resources.